So last video, I actually installed a operating system known as Bazzite on this old Dell Optiplex 9020 here. And by the looks of it, I actually want to turn this video into or actually want to turn this whole computer into kind of its own series. Now, I'm going to be installing a whole bunch of different operating systems on this thing and just running it and seeing how it runs on the hardware that's actually given to it in the year 2025. So I'm going to be running a whole bunch of different operating systems, testing out this thing, and just seeing how it runs. Now, there are some hardware downgrades that had to actually happen to this thing. For one, I had to downgrade it to an old hard drive because the SSD that I'm using is currently being used in my main machine as a game drive. So it does suck that I have to be downgrading to a hard drive, so it is probably going to hurt the performance a lot, but the main thing of this thing is gaming on it and seeing if that can get by. So Windows operating systems are probably out of the table since they're just not going to run good on hard drives, and same thing with some heavyweight Linux distros. They're not going to run well on a hard drive, so I'm going to be finding more obscure and more rare operating systems on this thing. Anyway, let's get into today's video, or actually tonight's video, depending on where I've actually uploaded this or what region you actually view it. We're going to be actually installing and experimenting with ReactOS. Now, I've never actually used ReactOS before. I actually have seen it be used by many YouTubers and different other people, and actually Linus Tech Tips did cover ReactOS a few years ago. And I know the project is still in alpha. I'm most likely going to be testing it on this hardware. I don't know if it's going to handle my NVIDIA card well on this thing since it is an older NVIDIA card, but I think I'll be trying to experiment with kind of ReactOS and see how well it runs. So getting the ISO of ReactOS is going to be a bit of a... maybe we can try some nightly builds and see how that goes, but anyway, let's get into the video of actually installing and running ReactOS on this main hardware here. So anyway, let's get into the thing. So I'm here about 2 hours later because I had to clean my computer, and also I had to go grab or borrow a computer from the living room computer. So yeah, let's get ReactOS installed on this thing. So the one thing that I found out about this OS is that apparently, if I sound out of breath, I'm exhausted because of what I did. Anyway, what I found out about this OS is I think it's MBR only, so we aren't going to be using UEFI. So yeah, let's get this thing installed, shall we? So I think F12. I'm hitting F12 on my computer. Okay, there it goes. So if it's crooked, I do apologize. The video is going to be a little crooked, so actually adjusting the video like brightness and stuff because I have a really crappy tripod kind of setup here because I didn't want to do all this one-handed. So yeah, so legacy boot's going to be probably this USB here, but I think, see, like, these are all the OSs that I've actually tried to install on here. So I have Battlecere on here right now, so let's try this one. ReactOS, which I think we also have the nightly build. Okay, so I have to actually have the nightly build actually installed on here. Alright, so ReactOS setup, there we go. So we're actually going to be trying to install this thing on real hardware. So I've actually never, I don't know if it does support the Wi-Fi card that's in this thing, since I can't even use this thing wired since my computer's all the way over there. And yeah, trying to install this thing via, hopefully we have internet access through USB, because yeah, did it just reboot? I hope it didn't, unless this is the boot up like thing or whatever. So I mean, I hope it didn't just... Nope, okay, it just completely rebooted. Okay. Alright, I might have to remake the image. Hang on. I got Battlecere on here because I was testing out something. I might have to remake the image or use a live CD maybe. So I could do that. Go make a live CD. Come on, shut off computer. Okay, yeah. I'm going to go and make a live CD of ReactOS, and I'll come right back. Alright, attempt number 2. I got the ReactOS boot live CD actually flashed in here. Let me get the camera focused on here. There we go. I got the focus down locked. So I actually have the ReactOS live CD instead of the boot CD. So let's try that instead. Hopefully we can get into a live environment. Okay, it's the same thing that it did earlier. Oh, okay. So we have a new thing now. We have some debug stuff that we can do. I guess we can just do the live CD. Let's do it. Boot drivers, okay. And I like to keep most of the stuff uncut because of I like to see the whole install process. Oh, we are at it just reboot again. Okay, okay. So there are probably some issues that I'm running into. First, I tried to install the 64-bit version and it just doesn't work. For some reason, I've tried using legacy boot. I mean, I can do UEFI boot. It probably is not going to do anything. So, yeah, okay. Error opening because it's legacy. So, there's no way in hell I'm going to get that. So, I could try flashing the 32-bit version. The only problem is I'm only going to be using 4 gigs of RAM instead of the 16 that's in here. So I could flash maybe another version, or because I am trying a nightly build and it's just not working. So I'm going to go ahead and go and flash a regular stock build, and I'm going to see if that does anything. I'm going to see if that helps anything at all. So I'm going to go ahead and go do that. I know this process is probably annoying as hell, but I'm going to go do it and see if that works. So anyway, I'll be right back. Alright, this is attempt number 3, so let's, I don't know why I said 3 like that, but anyway, let's try to get into ReactOS this time. Oh shit, okay, I hit F12 this time, okay, good. Again, this is the 3rd time I've flashed this. I have decided to downgrade to the release build instead of the nightly build. Hopefully that can get us into the OS, because I would like to see that. Okay, let's try live CD again. Oh! Oh, come on. You guys gotta fucking cock tease me like that. God damn it. Damn it. I thought it was gonna... Fuck. Oh, damn it. You guys really gotta tease me like that. Oh god, that was I seriously thought that I was gonna fucking get into the damn thing. Like, shit. This is also still in alpha. It probably doesn't like my NVIDIA card. I could try pulling out the NVIDIA card and just running this off of Intel HD. And it might run better. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. Let's try it again. But this time let's do debug. So, debug. Oh. That's not really what I wanted, but I mean, hey, it's cool. Okay. Let's just shut it down again and let's power it back on again. Let's turn it off, turn it back on again. If this doesn't work again for the 2nd time, I'm just gonna take the NVIDIA card out and I'm just gonna try to run it without an NVIDIA card, because the NVIDIA card in here is a Quadro card, and it's probably not something that was probably tested on ReactOS. So I'm just gonna send it after that. If not, this is gonna be a short video of me just testing out. Remember, this is still an alpha, so I'm not throwing shade at any developers who've made this. It's an open source project. They're trying to reverse engineer Windows, which sounds like a good project, and it is. And I'm just here just for entertainment, seeing if we can get this thing to work on actual hardware. Anyway, let's go again. Yep, okay. Let's pull out the NVIDIA card and let's try it again. Alright, that process fucking sucked. But anyway, I've removed the NVIDIA card. Let's boot up ReactOS, shall we? We're trying to get into ReactOS. Come on. Come on, window. Okay, there it goes. So, like I said, project's in alpha. I'm over here trying to just boot into ReactOS because first off, let's check the BIOS. You guys can't see exactly because of the camera's crooked, but I'll move it back slightly so you'll be able to see everything. Okay, let's just slightly move it back. Here we go. Okay, so let's do video settings, primary display, auto. So, yep. Secure boot is turned off. Yep, secure boot turned off. Oh, and I didn't mean to do that. Anyway, back into the boot manager or whatever. If this video ends like this, it will probably be really short. I'll probably just call it wraps, head to bed, and then edit the video in the morning. Or, well, put the clips together, because that's how I edit. I probably should get better editing software, or I probably should actually sit down and edit, but I don't. I probably will, though. Okay, let's try this again, but this time, no NVIDIA card. And it didn't work. Yes, the project's in alpha. I get it. Project's in alpha. I am happy, though, that they are making progress on it. I am very happy for that. So, it could just be it just doesn't like this boot CD, or it just doesn't like whatever config I have, because I did take out the NVIDIA card. That didn't really do all too much, but hey, I guess we can just do whatever. I could go flash some version of Windows on here, maybe like Windows 7. I don't know, but anyway, this was my attempt to installing ReactOS. I know it was a really short video. I mean, hey, I had some fun just tinkering with stuff. I mean, I did see a little bit of ReactOS. Now, I know you can actually get this to work a little bit better in a virtual machine, but I decided, hey, I have a second computer running around. I'm going to try to see if I can boot this thing on actual hardware, but fortunately, I couldn't get this to work. I know, it sucks, but hey, it's an alpha. It's a small team working on it, and I definitely do condone them to working on something like this. Again, I do hope that they do get, do good work with the project. There we go. Anyway, I'm tired of shit. I need to go take a shower because I fucking stink. So I'm gonna go take a shower and probably head to bed afterwards, or maybe do whatever. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed that because it's a short video for tonight. Just me trying to install ReactOS. Didn't go over so well, but anyway, I have some other plans with other stuff I'm gonna do with this machine. Probably just do some casual stuff with it, maybe install different OSs, but please let me know what OS you want to see next of me installing on this thing. Anyway, it's been SmartSpag87, and I'm going to see you all in the next one.